The team is playing well. The team is playing well. If it rains, we will stay indoors. If it rains, we will stay indoors. I am good at playing tennis. I am good at playing tennis. She is a doctor by profession. She is a doctor by profession. He said that he was coming later. He said that he was coming later. The girl who is standing over there. The girl who is standing over there. She arrives almost always on time. She arrives almost always on time. He asked where the nearest store is. He asked where the nearest store is.